Morning. I'm Venkatesh from Agrilife, India. Today let's talk of biological nitrogen fixation from atmosphere into soil. It's been a nature's wonder how millions of bacteria, beneficial bacteria, live in the soil, fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere. As you are aware, nitrogen is abundantly available in the air. Nature created such beautiful bacteria in the soil like azotobacter, azospirillum, rhizobium, gluconacetobacter, like these various bacteria which fix the atmospheric nitrogen into soil. Imagine a hectare of land and the nitrogen in the cylindrical part of the air. About 1,200 tons of nitrogen is in the atmosphere in a cylindrical space of 1 hectare. Imagine that 45-46% of urea containing nitrogen, 45% is urea. We are talking of something like 2,500 tons of urea hanging up in the free air, given by nature, free of cost, just to harness and incorporate in soil. This is done by bacteria called nitrogen fixing bacteria. The whole process of fixing atmospheric nitrogen into the soil or root is called as biological nitrogen fixation. Why biological? Because it's bacteria doing it. What does it fix? Nitrogen. From where? From atmosphere. The whole process is a continuous process. The two kinds of fixation of atmospheric nitrogen. Legumes, we call them pulse crops like soybean, lentils, then you have various pulse crops. They all have root nodules in the root, basically, the roots. Rhizobium is a wonderful bacterium which is a symbiotic organism which lives inside the root system. It colonizes the root and starts forming nodules, like small mustard kind size of nodules. These nodules inhabit all this rhizobium which fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere right into the root system. Imagine after the crop is over, the legume cover is over, the root system is in the soil. And this nitrogen fixed in the nodule is available for next crop. How beautiful nature made the crop rotation so scientific proposition. Thus, this nitrogen fixing bacteria living in the root system is one kind of bacteria. Second, we have got what we call free living bacteria. These free living bacteria like azotobacter, azospirillum, Penibacillus azotofixans, they live in the soil independent of the plant, independent of the root system, and fix the nitrogen from atmosphere directly into soil. If the soil is non-toxic, if it is healthy with a good organic carbon presence, these bacteria can almost fix about 50 kilograms nitrogen from atmosphere into soil. 50 kilograms per hectare per season is equivalent to almost 100 kilogram plus urea per hectare. Imagine India imports 30 million tons of urea. India produces and sells, imports together 30 million tons of urea. And we have almost $15 billion subsidy given by government to the direct manufacturing subsidy to manufacturers of urea. We can cut consumption of this urea by almost 40-50%. That means We can bring down the urea from 30 million tons in one country like India alone to 15 to 20 million tons, and this $15 billion subsidy, which is a drain on the exchequer of government of India, can bring it down to $5 to $7 billion. This is the power of nitrogen fixing bacteria. Let's hear more about individual organisms in the next videos. Thank you very much.